Well, I am excited to be talking to you about your subject, science. I hope that you will be having fun learning today with me. So come on now, let's go. Our topic for today, kids, is all about biodegradable materials and non-biodegradable materials. Okay, kids? When we say biodegradable materials, these are the materials that can decay or decompose. And when we say non-biodegradable materials, these are the materials that do not decay or decompose. Now we are going to talk about biodegradable materials first. So here are some examples of biodegradable materials. Like I said, when we say biodegradable materials, these are materials that can decay or decompose. Fruits and vegetables, including their peelings, their leaves, are biodegradable materials. It means they can decompose or decay. We also have here a picture of a man and a dog. This means that human and animals can also decay or decompose. Therefore, they are biodegradable. Another example that we have for biodegradable materials is this one. Wood. Wood are materials that can also decay or decompose. So that is why they are also biodegradable. And lastly, we have here materials that are made out of paper. We have paper boxes, tissue. We also have books and notebooks. Okay, paper. All materials that are made out of paper are biodegradable materials. They can decay or decompose. How about non-biodegradable materials? Again, when we say non-biodegradable materials, these are materials that do not decay or decompose. Do not decay or decompose. So here are some examples. We have glass bottles and plastic bottles. These are non-biodegradable materials. We also have here rubber tires. Rubber tires and other materials made out of rubber are non-biodegradable materials. They do not decay or decompose. Here are also some materials that are made out of plastic. We have plastic spoon and fork, plastic plates or boxes, plastic bottles, plastic cups, straw. These are also materials that are non-biodegradable. They do not decay or decompose, including plastic bags and tin cans. So all of these are examples of non-biodegradable materials. Now for your activity, this is what we are going to do. You are going to put an X on the material that is non-biodegradable and put a check on the material that is biodegradable. Okay, are you ready? The first material that we have is a tin can. It is non-biodegradable. So you have to put an X. The second item or material that we have is a coconut fruit. It is biodegradable. So we have to put check mark. Paper bag. The next item or material is a paper bag. Is it biodegradable or non-biodegradable? The correct answer is biodegradable. Now, let's move on to the next picture. This is a rubber toy duck. Rubber toy duck. Is this non-biodegradable or biodegradable? What do you think? Non-biodegradable. Rubber duck toy is non-biodegradable. The next toy that we have is a wooden horse. Wooden horse. Is this biodegradable or non-biodegradable? The correct answer is biodegradable. And for the last material or item that we have, a plastic bag. Is it biodegradable or non-biodegradable? What do you think is the correct answer? Non-biodegradable. Okay, great job, kids. Our next lesson is all about recycling. Okay, kids, what does recycling means? Recycling means converting waste materials into something that is usable. I repeat, recycling means converting waste materials into something usable. An example here is a plastic bottle. Instead of throwing this in the bin, you can convert this one into what? Flower pots like these ones. Okay, you can paint them and turn them into pots for planting flowers or plants like cactus. Another example is newspapers. Instead of throwing newspapers, you can turn them into beautiful baskets, just like these ones. Tin cans can also be painted or covered with paper and turn them into containers like this one, where you can put your pencils, your scissor, and your pen. How about rubber tires? Rubber tires can also be recycled. Look at this beautiful picture. These are rubber tires that are painted and are used as flower pots. Okay. They are used to plant flowers, and it looks beautiful. So remember, kids, materials can be recycled. So that's all for our lesson, and I'll see you again on our next video clip. Kids, I hope that you learned something from our discussions and our activities. I hope to be doing fun with you again next time. Bye-bye!